That's it.
Okay, let me grab this. Oh, don't pull me in.
So, this is the Intense, what's the name?
Tazer Pro.
Tazer Pro.
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, where's your bike?
This is our top of the line currently. So factory 38, factory
Okay.
DPX2, Shimano EP8. So pretty
Okay.
much most of the top line e-bike components.
Cool. Sweet, we're gonna do some laps on this thing.
For sure.
Sick.
Basically, just shine the crown on your frame, and then it makes obviously all the dust repellent.
Hey guys, so we were at SkyPark for Bike Fest, and we got to demo the Intense Tazer Pro, me and all my buddies at the same time, which is pretty cool. But anyway, yeah, so this bike is a enduro style e-bike with 160 millimeters in the front fork and 155 in the rear. It's also a mullet bike, which was pretty cool. And let me tell you, really agile bike. 27.5 out in the back, and then a 29er to run over all those rock gardens up in the front. Runs everything over real nice, but still has that mobility, and I loved it. It has great handling. Honestly, it is a freaking cool bike, honestly. You know, I can drop down at the bottom the link, and you guys can get into all the geeks about the bike, all the specs and the different drivetrain options and everything. The one I rode that I'm gonna post down on the description, it is priced at $6,299. That's not bad for such a great handling bike. I ran it on the jump line, and honestly, it felt so good. Ran it on a more natural double black trail, and it handled really well. Amazing e-bike. So yeah, let's get into the video, guys. All right, guys, here we are demoing the Intense Tazer. Man, this bike is such a help on the climb. I've done a demo before on an e-bike, and you know what, I mean, e-bikes, I wouldn't call it a cheater bike. I'd call it, if you want to have more fun, you know, more trail time, e-bike is a way to go, definitely. Let's see, I have it on the middle setting. Let's kick it up one. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me, dude. So chill. Whoa. Really nice. It gets there. Wow. Yeah. All right, guys, see you on the way down with this thing. God dang. Yeah, and everything's rollable. I guess that one was a roller. I saw that as a big drop. I don't know. So, woo! Jesus. Okay. Ooh! That adds some spice. Getting a little too sharp. Oh. Yeah, you did a different one, Keith. You go wide, don't hit your brakes, just roll with it, roll with it, roll with it. Ooh! Wow, guys, I have this thing on the fastest setting. Oh my God, dude. Like, don't get me wrong, you get the leg pump, but it gets you up there, dude. So cool, man. I can imagine laps for days on these e-bikes. And yeah, it's on your left. Thank you. Sick. Comment double black on the e-bike, the demo. Intense Tazer. Right on. Woo. Sheesh. Yeah.
Turn around before someone comes. We hit the wrong way. We hit the. Oh. That's the dance skill.
Mm-hmm. I do this in Santa Barbara all the time. Except here right here it's man-made. So just like Santa Barbara. Damn, it's pedally here, dude. You're good. Good thing we're doing this in an e-bike. Don't get on your brakes too much. Just let it roll a bit. Oh, this thing handles really nice, dude. Really nice. Ooh, almost washed out. Slippery. And you know I'm rocking those Apex Ripper gloves for the grip and protection, guys. I'll leave that down in the link as well if you guys want to cop yourselves a pair. Great protection on this glove. Keith, eat. Also very breathable in hot summer days at a great price. You guys check them out. This one's like traditional, more natural. Gonna eat booty. Yeah. So guys, this bike you've seen handles like a charm. It handles great. You know, why I have to tell you when I
This is the
just
ass
showed
eater
you,
line.
it rides
Just kidding.
so good. You don't feel the weight. I think just the way all the angles and head to angle and where they put the weight of the battery and everything in this bike was well thought out. Amazing experience with this bike, and I give it a 9 out of 10. The reason for that is just the design of the battery is a little weird. I know it has its purpose, but it's still a little weird. But other than that,
Yeah.
awesome bike.
Comet is more of a natural feeling trail, really technical, really technical, man. Some pieces in here almost for pro lines. Reminds me a lot of some of the trails in Santa Barbara, my area where I'm from. Ain't nothing, baby. Let's get this. Glad I have the e-bike right now. Yeah, it's light. Dude, hope Scouts Out's okay. Ooh, clipped it. Dude, this is like riding in Santa Barbara, bro. This one can't break your neck. Well, that's where this guy gets hurt. Let's go. Let's get through it. Come on, baby. Yeah. Oh. It's all about balance and footwork right here. Technique. Oh. Woo. I'm at my match here. Pedals the wrong way. Fuck. I'm in a very bad position right now. What happened? Yeah, this part is tough. Oh! All right. Yeah. I do not want to break something that's not mine. Woo! Almost had it. Let's see, can we jump? Pretty depleted. Oh, tired. All right. Whew.
All right, guys. So yeah, that was Naughty or Nice and Comet. Comet was freaking cool trail, super
what
technical, really steep. I don't know if you guys were able to see that in the video, but in when you're there, it's a steep trail, real technical. The Tazer, the Intense Tazer handled it amazingly.
Heck yeah.
So beautiful,
Oh.
great handling.
It happens.
Great bike. All right, guys. Well, you already know. See you on the next one.
Dude, I hope
like,
he's okay,
subscribe, and drop a
You think
comment.
he's okay?
You.